1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The main step: forward, return, side, back, return, together. Forward, replace, side, back, replace, together. And the leg squat, back, replace, forward, forward, side, together. Back, replace, forward, forward, side, together. Basically, the crossbody lead, the man has to get out of the lady's way, and so that she can walk forward. So we have forward, replace, side. This is the most important part of the crossbody lead. Side. The lady is positioned to the man's right side. Then she walks forward, and we join her at the end. Now we have 3 positions for step number 6. The step number 6 can be together, can be side and forward. So watch that again. Step number 1, 2, 3. Step number 4, 5, 6, or 6, or 6. So watch that again. I'm going to do 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now this is the feature of this step is a side step and allow the lady to step forward in between. A normal basic is forward and back. I go back. This basic, I don't go back. I go to the side. And now she's close to me as a result, because I'm not going away. See, if I were to be back, so see, I'm back like that, but because I'm close, that makes it a lot more interesting. And again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. A little detail for the step is we do basic, replace, together, invite the lady to go forward, but don't go back, go to the side. 1, 2, 3, and finish. 2, 3. And again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. It's important to pull the lady a little bit forward because she might go side as well. And we don't want that. We want her to be close. 1, see, I give her a pull, side. 1, I pull her and side. 1, 2, pull, side. And now the lady spot is we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now when I give it a pull, and 1, 2, 3, and she goes forward. Her option with the hand, she can not, if she wants, not touch the guy at all, or put her hand on the man's chest. 1, 2, 3, like that. Or do nothing with her hand. 1, 2, 3, if she is not familiar with the guy. Something like that. stepping back. We step back. We turn and raise the hand. She's gonna turn and we step back. So I can do basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the timing for this step is quick, quick, slow. 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 So the open break and underarm turn is open break, meaning that we go step back, we step back, and then raise the hand to turn and finish. A quick thing for the lady, open break, she goes to the side and steps and finish. Open break and underarm turn. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So from the basic we have 1, 2, 3, and then I raise the arm. She steps right here forward. 5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. So for this step, it's important, just like any underarm turn, to raise the lady's hand on 3. That way she knows she's going to turn. A quick thing for the lady, we have 1, 2, 3. See? I don't have to raise it really high, just a little raise 3, so that now she can step forward. 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we have basic 1, 2 together. Go side, cross over, let go, and turn. A spark turn is a turn on your own. So that is the turn where you actually turn alone. The partner is not turning you, you are turning yourself. Basically, once you let go of the hands, you can step forward and turn and finish. It can be done either to the left or to the right. So I can do it here as well. So one more time, we have a crossover. 1, 2, 3, you let go. 5, 6, 7. Cool. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. In this combination, the men and the lady are turning. Alternatively, of course. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We turn ourselves, we raise the hand and step forward and turn. 1, 2, 3. And we keep the hand high because we want the lady to turn. 4, 5, 6. And again, we're going to face the camera. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And one more time, different angle. Basic. Raise the hand to turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Alright, the lady's part for this figure is 1, 2, 3. We turn ourselves and we keep the hand and she step forward and turn. turn, and she turns, and finish. One, two, three, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And now the main spot. So we have a basic 1, 2, 3. We change hand on 6. Now I step forward and turn myself. 1, 2, 3, and keep the hands up using the right hand and turn the lady 4, 5, 6, and finish. 1, 2, 3. And one more time, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. And now the lady's description. We have an underarm turn. 1, 2, 3. First with the hand change. We step forward and we keep the hands up. She turns and finish. And again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Anytime you hear hammer lock, this is the position. How do we get to that? Very simple. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's try facing the camera. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. See, that's the position. To basic. 1, 2, 3. And she's gonna turn 5, 6, 7. The main spot. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now we'll do basic side. 1, 2, side. Raising the hand and holding the right hand. She turns 5, 6, 7. See? And now I go forward. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna do side together side. Hold on here. Side together side. Side together side. One more time here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now the lady step. The lady must have a gentle hands. Don't panic, lady. It's gonna be okay. Your hand's gonna be behind, but just okay. 1, 2, 3. And then turn, underarm turn. Basic. And turn. 1, 2, 3. So the last one is like a 3-step turn. She's turning slowly. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me put the timing to it. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. That's your hammer lock. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And the feet position for the men, we change hand on 3. So let's do basic first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Underarm turn. 1, 2, 3. And keep the hand high and she turns. 1, 2, 3. And lower the hand for the brush. See? And as you do the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And now the ladies' descriptions. I think I like it this way. We have 1, 2, 3. Hand change, men's turns, lady turns, and the brush. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And one more time, flamenco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually for the men's brush, the men use the left hand instead of the right hand. So we have 1, 2, 3, left hand prep. We turn ourselves, we keep it high, we turn the lady, and we bring again to brush. And now look at the feet and the hands. We have 1, 2, 3, hand preparation to turn yourself. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and turn yourself again. This time is the brush. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now the lady's description. We have a basic 1, 2, 3, and on the arm turn, left hand come in to the inside. Keep it high, turn the lady, and loop it to go for the brush to yourself. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And again, basically turn, keep it high, turn the lady, and turn yourself again with the brush.